Today we're going to be touring one of our most beautiful listings, priced at $515,000, Springford School District, Limerick Township. Beautiful farmhouse, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Now we got a pool here, we got a barn, and we even have a garage. Now the barn is good enough, strong enough, has the fortitude to hold some heavy things. The current owner has a car collection, which isn't here, but will actually fit in the garage, and the garage will be stable. Now, we'll check out the outbuildings, we'll check out the in-buildings. I know you don't want to see me, you want to see that, so let's get started. Buddy, so we got a beautiful wraparound porch, single farmhouse, action working for us. When I say the porch wraps around, it literally wraps around one side to the other. We'll check out the other as we go through. We can enter into the beautiful lobby. We got a full access basement, plenty of storage there. You actually have washer and dryer access on this level. Wonderful kitchen, big enough to eat in. Large windows, really kept in good shape. Very farmhouse-esque built-in closets. Excellent dining room. We've got some creaky floors, so excuse me while I creak, but that's what happens when you're in a beautiful hardwood floors here. Finished living room. Access to the wraparound porch. If you can see the pool peeking through the window there. Fully functional fireplace and a half bath. Half bath, y'all. So we'll head upstairs next, and then we'll check out some of the outbuildings. So entering upstairs, also from the front lobby. Second floor or first floor from the top or from the bottom. To our left, it's an excellent space for a 4th bedroom or an office. Got its own closet. You have a large master bedroom. All the windows in this house were redone recently. You've got his and hers closets, or his and his closets, or hers and hers closets. Basically, you got 2 closets. Do what you want with them. Shower and full bath, tub. On the other side of the top of the stairs is the hallway full bath. Full bath, stand-up shower, plenty of natural light in this house. Very large 2nd bedroom here. Cool built-in closet. A lot of space here for extra items. Now, if you want to take a quick peek at the roof was actually redone recently, so you get a lot of bang for your buck here in Limerick Township. Now, you may be wondering, do we have public water, public sewer? Well, we do. There also is a well on the property. Pantry closet here in the hall. Now, the well only services the barn, but you could use it for car washing, filling up pools, etc. But you do have public water, public sewer. You've got a really great 3rd bedroom here. Great big closet, plenty of space, awesome skylights, plenty of natural light. Great spot here. Central air, central heat. The property is serviced by gas. There's also oil in the garage, which we'll see. All right, I'm going to go down. All right, so we're heading right back outside here now. Wrap around porch. Plenty of spots for parking. Awesome area. This is the living room here, if you recall. This is where the beautiful pool was peeking out at us. Look at that. Amazing summer, springtime hanging out. Right next to the beautiful barn. Plenty of room for chickens. We got near 2.5 acres here, 2.35. All right, let's go check out the Cabana pool room. The Cabana room is just steps away from the pool. What a neat setup. So it's the bottom floor of the barn, and these wonderful, creative, awesome owners have done a planes, trains, and automobiles theme. Custom bar, plenty of room for wine, plenty of room for seating, plenty of room for entertaining, custom couch, room for pool table, room for a card table, TV. What a fun spot. You'd never want to leave it. Now there is electric obviously in here. All right, so we've got the house. Beyond the house is the pool. Beyond the pool is the barn. Now we'll check out the inside of the barn. Ground level here is plenty of space with a sliding door for any of your outdoor needs, be it lawnmowers, weed whackers, etc. The barn is well kept. You've got your own ramp here to get up in it. Fully functioning BARN. Massive height. Sturdy as all heck. Multiple vehicles could fit in here if needed. Retracting door. Electric. Now there is well water access here in the barn, and actually the barn has its own separate electric panel in case maybe you wanted to rent it. All right, we've got a semi-private fence. Now just beyond here, you might think that's where the acreage ends. Well, that's just where it begins. We've got nearly an acre behind us here. There is a creek, or a crick, as they say in Philly, running through. It's a massive spot. A subdivision may be possible, but probably not. We did talk to the township about it. You would need a variance, so it's something that you'd have to address with them directly. Our barn, beautiful barn here, is set up actually with a paint booth. We've got heat and running water. Now we've got the garage. A massive place. 2 full-size car garages. Would actually fit maybe 4 to 6 cars inside. Let's take a quick peek. All right, so we're going to enter the barn. No, we're going to enter the garage. We're already in the barn. The garage does have its own heat, does have running water, and its own electric panel. Now there are stairs leading up to an office area if you wanted some privacy to do some paperwork, etc. Also set up with a really cool hydraulic lift. And yes, folks, everything is negotiable. Fully outfitted as an auto mechanic shop, but also perhaps you like go-kart racing. You know, this has been a lot of fun. If you want to check out any other houses, or you had something that you wanted to see, or some area or neighborhood you were wondering about, hit us up. We'll be glad to do a video tour for you and send it to you. We do that for a lot of people that are moving from here, there, and everywhere. I'm Gregory Martire, your local real estate expert. Have a great day, everybody.